President Jonathan, as a former aide of President Jonathan, there have been talks about President Jonathan likely to join the race for 2027. As a former aide of his, if he decides to throw his hat into the ring, will you work with him or work for him?
First of all, President Jonathan is my father. And secondly, is a leader of our party, the PDP. He has not publicly announced his exit from the party, so which means he's still a member of the party. As an elected officer of the party, it will be premature for me to speak about any potential aspirants, because we are the umpires. In fact, when President Jonathan was governor in Bayelsa and we were preparing for his election, governorship election, we had the chairman of our party, Honorable Fred Agbeji, who made a statement that suggested support for one of the aspirants at the time, Timi Alaibe. That led to his removal from office. When a party officer speaks, then it means you have taken sides already. But what I can say is that President Jonathan is qualified to run for the presidency. And if he decides to do so, he will speak to Nigerians. For now, he has not said anything. And when he does speak to Nigerians, I am sure he will also make known what platform he's going to be running. But for me, as a member of the PDP, I can only support candidates of the PDP in the 2027 election, from State House of Assembly all the way.